Hey everyone, this is Tim from the Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download your games on your PlayStation 5 and also retrieve the game data. So, if this is your first time with your PlayStation 5, go on over to the game library right here and then go up and then go on over to your collection. This is where you can find maybe your older PlayStation 4 games or anything you added to your account. You can continue to scroll through here, just find the game you want to go and download it, and then get onto your PlayStation 5. So here's Astrobot. I already have this installed, but let's go to a game I don't. So let's go to Final Fantasy. Then I can choose the PS4 or PS5 version, and then I can go to download and get this onto my PlayStation 5. Now, if this doesn't download the saved game data, what you could do is go up to the top, go to settings, scroll on down until we get to where it says save data and game app settings. Then we can go to whether it's a PS5 or PS4 game. Maybe it's Red Dead Redemption 2 that you're having an issue with. We can go to the right and then go to download or delete from cloud storage. And then we can go into here and we can download whatever is on the cloud to our PlayStation 5. So here's Red Dead Redemption 2. Then we can go to download. And then we're going to download the current version to my PlayStation 5. So it looks like there's a dissync between my cloud storage and my PlayStation 5. So the cloud storage is a more recent version, and my console version is 5.26 of 2024. So I'm going to update it with a newer version. So I'm downloading it now to my PlayStation 5, and I'm going to go to Apply All. And then I should have my most recent game save on here. So if you're trying to get your PlayStation 4 game saves, make sure you have PlayStation Plus and you uploaded your game data to the cloud so you can go ahead and get it onto your PlayStation 5. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.